Good evening. Hello. Good day, y'all. My name's Amechi. Amechi Nwase from the University of Incarnate Word, and today I'm going to be your certified astronomer slash scientist, talking about one of Earth's greatest mysteries out beyond space. Today we're going to be talking about nebulae, or nebulas. Nebula, planetary nebula. Well, nebulae or planetary nebula describes what a star can become when it's nearing the end of its life. They can be seen from NASA's telescope pictures, such as Hubble, and they usually have vibrant waves of color with the ring and bright center. In fact, 2 years after the invention of the telescope in 1610, the Orion Nebula was discovered by a French scholar named Nicolas Claude Fabry de Papiersk. Hopefully, I didn't butcher that name too bad. There are many different famous slash favorite nebulae due to how stunning they look in images, such as the Crab Nebula, the Carina Nebula, and the Helix Nebula. The images get their colors and hue from different gases and materials slowly dispersed over time. One of the features astronomers look at is the change in colors to depict materials and densities from telescope photos. This unique effect we see in photos is when a star with a core mass less than 8 times our Sun loses its ability to perform nuclei fusion after a long period of time. The star will begin to shed its outer layers, and outer layer remains slowly in patterns. So slow, in fact, that it can take tens of thousands of years to see this process finish. This is what it's made difficult for current day astronomers to keep informative data tracking on the life cycle of this specific phenomenon. We briefly described how the color of the telescope pictures can help differentiate different material coming out of nebulae. But there is more that can be depicted from these celestial bodies that further scientific knowledge. For example, another thing astronomers analyze is the type of material emanating from the nebula, such as carbon and nitrogen, in addition to the density of the core's nebula. Having this can help draw more conclusive evidence as to what happened while the nebula was more alive as a star performing nuclear fusion. This is huge. If you ask any scientist, it is a whole lot better to provide insights and predictive analytics about how fast a nebula expands rather than sitting around 1,000 years Moreover, this data can help explain how long a star can live while it's in this step of this life cycle. Nebulae are truly phenomenal in every aspect. They are beautiful, have lived long, telling lives, and can provide useful scientific feedback about a star's life cycle. Thank you for tuning into my video today on the topic of the nebula. Please check out NASA's website for more information on nebulae, and there are also the Deep Space Telescope photos of many nebulae and other space phenomena.